perform the practical how to determine the power in resistive load. This is the practical setup. Here we have connected one auto transformer to the single phase 230 volt 50 Hz AC supply. Means we can vary the voltage by using this auto transformer. For that purpose we have connected one voltmeter, AC voltmeter across this auto transformer. Then we have connected one ammeter in series with auto transformer, and after ammeter we have connected one wattmeter to measure the power in the resistive load. Now we will see how to connect these resources to perform the practical. Here from the phase we will connect to the common point of this voltmeter and ammeter. We have connected this voltmeter across the auto transformer, means phase to common point and neutral to the range which we have selected here is the 250 volt. Okay, then from ammeter we have connected one wire to the M point of the wattmeter. This wattmeter is having the 4 terminals MLCV. Okay, M means the mains, L means load, C means common point, and V means voltage. So from ammeter we have connected one wire to the M point. After that we have short circuited these MC points. We have connected this L load point to the lamp load. Okay, and second terminal of this lamp load we have connected to the neutral point of this auto transformer. Also we have connected the V point of this wattmeter to the second terminal of the lamp load, and the lamp load which is behind this panel. Okay, you can see here the various lamps are connected behind this panel. Fine. Now we will take the reading. For this purpose we will on the ELCB and MCB. Okay, we will also on the supply. We will set the value of voltage as 230 or 200 volt. Okay, we have set the voltage 230 volt. So at that time we got the value of current as 0.147 ampere. The reading of wattmeter is 150 watt, but for the wattmeter we can't directly take the value of 150 watt. For that purpose we have to multiply the value of multiplying factor. So what is the multiplying factor? Multiplying factor means the voltage range of this wattmeter. See here the voltage is 230 volt. Okay, then current range is maybe either 5 ampere or 10 ampere. Here we have the 4 terminals B1, B2, E1 and E2. If you will connect the B1, B2, then it will select the low range, and if you will connect the B1, E2 and B2, E1, then it will select the high range of the current. So here as we have connected the B1, B2, so current range of 5 ampere selected here. So the multiplying factor means the voltage range, okay, this voltage range into this current range into power factor. So the power factor for this resistive load is always 1, means 1, and whole divided by the full scale deflection of this wattmeter. Here the full scale deflection of this wattmeter is 750 watt. So we got the multiplying factor as, see, the voltage is 300 volt. Okay, current is 5 ampere, so we'll get the multiplying factor as a 2. So we will multiply this value of 150 into 2, so the power is 300 watt. So in this way you can also see the lamp, as we have selected the or we have set the value of voltage 200 volt. At that time our lamps, almost not all the lamps but some of these lamps will get on. Okay, and we can also vary the voltage, or we can vary the load for taking the different readings. So in this way we have calculated the power in the resistive load. Thank you so much.